Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, quick rush into Bitcoin today and Ethereum and a couple of the other cryptos based off announcement that Tether might not have enough cash, to fulfill all its responsibilities. As you know, Tether is pegged to the US dollar, so it has to hold currency if it's going to be pegged to it. These are the kind of moves you do not want to chase. So you had the blow-off move, which was just insane. I mean, getting up to, what was the high? 7,700, essentially. Then just collapsing back down. Here are our old levels on the chart. Then rallying back up essentially to, just above our 7,000. We had a 7,024 level just to, we're focused on 7,000. Then stopping dead close on the cluster to 6930, testing that with a high, now pulling back to the rotation zone. That's why you don't need to chase these things, especially moves like that. They will give you proper abilities to enter. You just have to be patient. I'm updating this. We're not going to use this new thing for a GAN level for quite some time because of this explosive move up there. Just cleaning up the charts a bit. Now, what I am going to do, though, is to use it as a retracement level to see where we're going to retrace to, even off these very key lows. So right now we're back to 62.5 again, and we're breaking down as we speak. This is the first level support right around the 6,700, 6,650 to 6,700. We have the rotation zone coming in. It's going to be slightly skewed because of the explosive move. If we fall through here, going to be watching to see if we catch anywhere from about 6,550 to 6,500. That's the next key support. I want to see a strong rotation back up. Then I'd just be targeting these prior GAN levels. So 6,700, 6,900, they just happen to come out this way, 7,100. That's how I'd play this if we get a strong rotation coming up. If we get a close back down below 6,500, all this prior consolidation and support has not held, and people are just rushing into this. And now people who bought this all the way up and it's already falling back down might start liquidating again and even continue to push it down. So that's the way we're looking at it right now with Bitcoin. We need to now prove this is sustainable. This was not a sustainable move, and we need to now prove it can catch and then rotate back up. So you can see this in the bigger picture. Even went through, the highs from the beginning of September. It hasn't been at this level back since end of July, and then just back down into this major consolidation area. So right back essentially where it started, not all the way down here yet, but right back into the same area it's been in since. Started getting there about the 6th of September, tested highs multiple times around the 22nd, around the 28th, and now trading back at levels from October 8th, and you see how many times it's tested these lows, making slightly higher low from here to here, but nothing major. So this was just, again, a major blow-off move. Don't go chasing this. Wait till it proves itself out. Here we go with Ethereum. Ethereum just popping up here. The only thing you could have done was a reverse GAN box. I'm just pulling that off for now. So again, this is pulled back all the way to the first cross moving averages. This is showing also a lot of weakness. It did run up to, what was it high there? 239.45. Now all the way back to 209. Spiking through these recent highs back then. We'll check it out on a daily chart. The same thing. We want a rotation back up between 209 and 207. If we can't get a rotation back up, I'd watch for then a return. And this is not something you want to get overly aggressive. This is collapsing back down rather rapidly also. Next level of support is 202. Then we'd be watching for 197 area. Those are the key levels that we're looking for. But again, let's take a look at the bigger picture. So spiking up through almost back to the 50-day, and now we're back below the top of the rotation zone. So we're not even going to be able to close above the rotation zone, and we're actually back above this. We're back below all this consolidation. So it tried to get through it. Couldn't manage to even hold all those levels, falling back down. Going to be very interesting to see where it closes. I need a real strong rotation back up to start playing this again. It has not proven itself to me yet, and I don't have a concrete pattern to trade on versus watching to see if the rotation zone holds and we get a strong rotation back up. If we do, you can watch this very key close, 218 right on the gain level. Then I'd be watching for about 222. Then if we get through that, you can watch for about 233 to 235 again. But just be patient. This is getting into something. If you're just going to try to buy this pullback, oh, it went all the way up and now it's already back, it's a bargain. It has to still, as I said with Bitcoin, prove itself. So we have for you today with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.